So Apple doesn't always increase the price of its newly announced iPhones. Every series starting from iPhone 12 had the same pricing, starting at $799 for the vanilla model and so on. But in 2023, that's gonna change. This was going to happen sooner with iPhone 14 series. The Pro models of the new iPhone 14 cost significantly more to manufacture than their predecessors. The main contributing factor for this is the A16 Bionic chip used in the Pro models. It's got to do with the global chip shortage situation. For now, Apple looks to be opting to absorb the earning decline on its own, but eventually the pressure from Wall Street and from Apple's executive offices will force the tech giant to raise iPhone pricing. Also, the 3% price hike demanded by TSMC for the A17 Bionic will add fuel to the fire. TSMC is a major manufacturer when it comes to chips for Apple devices. They produce it for the iPhones, iPad and even for the Mac, so it won't just affect the iPhones but every other devices as well. In late September, Apple was reported to have rejected TSMC's plan to raise its chip manufacturing prices by up to 6%. But now a report from Economic Daily News on Tuesday evening suggests that Apple has accepted a 3% hike. Just to give an idea, the Apple A16 SoC, which is produced at TSMC using the 4nm process, costs around $110 to produce, more than twice as much as the Apple A15 that the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max use. So this is the reason why Apple recycled the iPhone 13 series A15 Bionic chip inside this year's non-Pro iPhone 14 models. But next year, since there will be A16 and A17 chips used, the price will go up. Besides the price hike for the iPhone processor, another factor driving up production cost is the Sony's 48-megapixel camera sensor, which is 30% larger. This costs around 50% more than the 12-megapixel sensor on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Furthermore, reports are suggesting that the non-Pro iPhone 15 models may also get dynamic island feature, and multiple reports hint that the whole iPhone 15 lineup is coming with the USB-C port while removing the exclusive Lightning port that we have seen on Apple iPhones so far. This will also contribute to rise in price since this will be a radical change. Additionally, there is speculation that Apple will be replacing the Pro Max model with an iPhone 15 Ultra, and this could result in the release of the priciest and most expensive iPhone yet. That being said, we are at the end of this video. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next one.